Time to go to school. Classic Ethan. And when you pull the fire alarm, you get grounded.
When classic Ethan got to school.
Students, when you play around, you get grounded.
Okay, can I go to Chuck E. Cheese?
No.
Then can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, but you could be back for 18 minutes.
When they got to the principal office.
Classic Ethan and Agnes. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 7, 8, 9, 7, 9, 8, 8, 6, 9, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7,